Continuing the video where I left off, when using Google Slides, like I was saying, the most important thing is to have a good layout. You're gonna change the layout in a number of ways. Theme you can change over here. They have very neat options, very many options. When you go from this little indicator will show that you have a transition. So when you go from the second to the third slide, you'll actually notice the transition and the difference. You also over here have a slide where you can duplicate, delete. You can move a slide, you can add transitions. There's a lot of options over here. Again, to share this, you can just share over here. You can edit how they can share right over here. You can import a theme if you want to use more options, if you're using a certain type of setting or a certain manner. But that is the basic information for Google Slides. And then lastly, we'll go over Google Forms. Google Forms can be accessed through this as well. It's just under the More options. And Google Forms is a neat thing where you can actually set up it like the study guide or to ask questions. Again, you can start by having your own or having a template. Over here they have custom templates. They have more settings. This is where you also can share it with people. You can change your title again over here. This is where you can write your question. You can change what type of question it is. Keep on multiple choice. You can actually add a description of what kind of form it is. This is where you add, let's say, responses, and this is where you could remove the responses if you want to add pictures. They have all types of options over here. You can actually add another question, or you can have multiple questions, so you can create a study guide. You can move the question to switch them different order by dragging it. Over here is delete. If you want them to have to do the question to move on, you want to move this to required. You can actually duplicate a question by clicking this button. And over here, you can have a description, and they give you some other options as well. Over here are your questions, and then you can see your responses over here as well. It's a very neat app that is very useful when it comes to school and comes to organizing anything with test material or a way of studying. Very organizing. Over here, again, you can send this to people. You can send it to them email. You can use via link. And then again, you can send them a message. You can invite them. You can change how they edit the paper and everything again. And that is Google Form. Thank you for watching this video.